The head of Arizona's election integrity unit is facing scrutiny over tweets she made immediately after the election.
Now, a growing number of political and legal experts question whether she should recuse herself. Political reporter Mark Phillips is following the fallout.
In the early morning hours of November 9th, the day after the election, Jennifer Wright, who leads the Attorney General's Office on Election Integrity, was taking aim at the Maricopa County Elections Department. Tweeting from her private account, "Incompetence on top of incompetence," she tweeted. "In all my years doing election work, it has never taken Maricopa this long to report Election Day results. Never, never, ever," said another tweet. 10 days later, in her capacity as an assistant attorney general, Wright sent a letter to Thomas Liddy, the civil division chief at the Maricopa County Attorney's Office. She requested an explanation on Election Day problems before the county certified its results. Election law and legal ethics expert Tom Ryan believes Wright's tweets were conflicts of interest.
It is highly inappropriate and unethical for such a person to be criticizing the county before they've even been given a chance to respond to her questions.
Wright would later tweet on November 25th that her comments were out of frustration that no day of votes were released in the hours after the polls closed.
It's hard to condone a prosecutor's action when they sort of tip their hand. They're supposed to be as close to impartial as you can get.
Former Arizona Attorney General Terry Goddard doesn't believe politics is determining what the Attorney General's office is investigating. But Goddard and former Maricopa County Attorney Rick Romley felt compelled to send Attorney General Mark Brnovich and Wright a letter requesting they launch a criminal investigation of the Cochise County supervisors Peggy Judd and Thomas Crosby. Both refused to certify the county's election results by Monday's deadline, as required by state law.
They don't have any wiggle room. This is not the opportunity to have a factual hearing on whether or not there were election problems. They have other venues where they can do that. But this is not that. And so they broke the law.
Goddard says the Attorney General's office has not responded to the request to investigate Cochise County's supervisors. In an email, Katie Connor, the spokesperson for the Arizona Attorney General's office, did respond to whether Wright should recuse herself from investigating the Maricopa County election. Connor said, "General Brnovich insists all Attorney General employees perform their duties in a professional and ethical manner. He respects their First Amendment rights. That does not end just because they work for a government agency." Connor did acknowledge the office received Goddard's and Romley's letter. Mark Phillips, ABC 15, Arizona.